In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create card covers in Trello. Card covers make your boards more readable at a glance, help you prioritize work, and add a touch of personality or branding to your workflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick the right image or color and how to display it for maximum clarity. Start by opening your board. Head to the Trello board where you want to add visual polish. Then open a card. Click the card you'd like to style so its details open in a panel. On the right side of that panel, find and click the cover button. This is your hub for everything related to card visuals. Now choose your visual. If you want something fast and functional, pick a color. Solid colors and gradients work great as visual cues. For example, a bold red can highlight urgency, while a calming green can indicate completed or low priority tasks. Keep your color system consistent across the board so teammates instantly recognize what each shade means. If you prefer imagery, explore unsplash photos directly inside Trello. Use the search bar to find high-quality, free stock images that match your project theme or category. Try specific keywords and choose images with simple compositions if your titles or labels are long, so the card doesn't feel crowded. Preview how the image looks and adjust if needed. You can also upload a custom image. Click Upload a cover image to use your own brand graphics, screenshots, or designed visuals. Choose a clear, high-resolution file so it looks crisp on both desktop and mobile. If you're using screenshots, crop out anything unnecessary and make sure no sensitive information appears in the image. Next, decide how the cover should appear on your card. The half cover or banner layout places the color or image as a strip at the top, with the card title displayed underneath. This is excellent when you want strong visual cues without overshadowing the title or labels. The full cover option places the image or color across the entire face of the card, with the title overlaid on top. If you choose a full cover, switch the text color between dark and light to keep the title easy to read. High contrast is key. Light text on dark images, dark text on light images. That's it. Open your board, pick a card, choose a color or image, then select the layout that supports clarity. Keep your choices consistent, readable, and aligned with your workflow, and your Trello board will both look better and work smarter.